Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Party Play in Skate 3. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Party Play option. This mode is fantastic for sharing the fun with up to 4 friends on a single console. It automatically manages turns and keeps score, making it easy to jump right into the action. You'll find it's a seamless way to enjoy the game together, whether you're tackling challenges or just free skating. To set up your Party Play session, once you've selected the mode, you'll be prompted to choose the number of players. You can have anywhere from 2 to 4 participants. Each person gets a chance to pick their skater and customize their gear, ensuring everyone feels unique. After everyone is ready, the game will guide you through the turn-based gameplay, keeping track of individual progress and scores. During Party Play, players take turns attempting challenges or simply free skating, depending on the chosen mode. The game automatically scores each player's performance, whether it's landing a difficult trick or completing an objective. A clear leaderboard is always visible, showing everyone's current standing. This friendly competition adds an exciting layer to your Skate 3 experience, encouraging everyone to push their limits. To get the most out of Party Play, try experimenting with all the different game modes available. Some challenges are perfect for quick turns, while others allow for more creative expression. Encourage friendly competition. It makes the experience much more engaging. Remember to take short breaks between turns to chat, share tips, and celebrate epic bails or incredible combos. It's all about having a great time together.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.